Hello friends, the view from Mars on Sol 3000 Simply Spectacular 3 HC mapped a dramatic new self-portrait backdrop by alien scenery from the red planet. NASA's groundbreaking Curiosity rover is celebrating 3000 Sols or Martian days of exploration on the red planet since she touched down on Mars on August 6, 2012. Since the Gale crater with the goal of climbing Mount Sharp in search of sign of water and organic molecules and potential signs of past life. To mark the marvelous achievement, I have created a new Curiosity rover self-portrait mosaic from her raw images to show the scientifically scrumptious scene she witnessed now on January 12, 2021 for the 3000th Martian Days Sol 3000. She may lead mosaic above and a wider panoramic mosaic below to experience the current scene at ground level, stitched together from NavCam raw images taken by the left navigation camera on the robot's masthead and subsequently transmitted and received back on Earth on January 14. Mount Sharp dominates Gale crater and exploring the lower levels saved by past water episodes of liquid water is the primary research goal of the mission. Curiosity is currently exploring the lower sedimentary layers of Mount Sharp, which tower over 3 miles 5.5 km into the Martian sky. Gale crater is 96 mile wide, 154 km wide ball that Mount Sharp sits within. Mount Sharp has rock layers that were shaped by lakes and streams billions of years ago, according to NASA scientists. Like sand through the hourglass, so are the souls of our life. Can you believe I have been here for 3000 Martian days? Here is a recent panorama marked by curved rock traces or benches. These formations are not just scenic, they tell of ancient Mars, NASA tweeted. It's been exciting 3000 sols so far, and I look forward to seeing what else we will discover as Curiosity continues to climb Sharp. Tonight I will be raising a glass to Curiosity and the science and engineering teams that have gotten us this far, wrote Curiosity researcher Lauren Edgar, planetary geologist at USGS Astrology Science Center, in the mission blog. Curiosity achieved magnificent 3000 Sol milestone even as her younger sister rover Perseverance is barreling toward the red planet and is now just 5 weeks away from landing on February 18, 2021 inside Jezero crater. What are some of the science highlights during these 3000 sols? Here is our mosaic from the first Curiosity drilling at the John Klein outcrop on Sol 169 in Feb 2013. This past year, the car-sized Curiosity rover has been driving across a clay-bearing region called Klein Torridon, and previously dubbed the clay-bearing unit. Clay minerals form in more neutral pH water. Before that, the six-wheeled rover had moved on from Vera Rubin. Red Klein Torridon sits in a trough just south of the red. Clay minerals in this unit may hold more clues about the ancient lakes that helped form the lower levels on Mount Sharp. As the rover has continued to ascend Mount Sharp, it's found distinctive bench-like rock formations. After making a pit stop at location nicknamed Mary Anning, it's continued toward the next major layer called the sulfate-bearing unit. NASA officials said as she scales Mount Sharp, the sulfate unit minerals formed in more acidic water. Curiosity is exploring the curved rock traces that define the area can form when there are harder and softer layers of rock on a slope. As the softer layers erode, the harder layers form small cliffs leaving behind the bench-like formations. They can also form during a landslide when huge curved slabs of bedrock slide downhill. Curiosity's team has seen benches before in Gale crater, but rarely forming such a scenic grouping of steps. NASA published a mosaic of images taken on November 18, 2020 on Sol 2946. Our science team is excited to figure out how they formed and what they mean for ancient environment within Gale, said Curiosity's project scientist Ashwin Vasavada of NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Southern California, which built and manages the rover rover. The rover's current home, Glen Torridon, is in a trough between Vera Rubin Ridge and the rest of the mountain. This region had been called the clay-bearing unit because our wider data show that the rocks there contain phyllosilicates, clay minerals that form in water and that could tell scientists more about the ancient lakes that were present in Gale crater off and on throughout its early history. In addition to indicating a previously wet environment, clay minerals are known to trap and preserve organic molecules, said Curiosity Project scientist Ashwin Vasavada of JPL. That makes this area especially promising, and the team is already surveying the area for its next drill site. Curiosity has found both clay minerals and organic molecules in many of the rock it has drilled since landing in 2012. Organic molecules are the chemical building blocks of life. If both water and organic molecules were present when the rocks formed, the clay-bearing unit may be another example of a habitable environment on ancient Mars, a place capable of supporting life if it ever existed. The rover keeps making new discoveries during its gradual climb up Mount Sharp, the 3-mile tall, 5-kilometer tall mountain it has been exploring since 2014, said NASA. Thank you.